महाराष्ट्रात तुकाराम मुंडे जो कमिशनर अपॉइंट झाला त्याने ज्या शैलीन काम सुरू केला तेच्यो कितल्योश्यो म्हणजे हे आसा आतां फूड अँड ड्रग्साच्यो ज्यो तेजे रेडी मारपाच्यो आनी जे स्कॅम एक्सपोज जाला तितूंत कितले जाणांचेच पॉलिटिशियन इनवॉल्ड आसा कितें आसा. गोंयांत तुमी रेड मारतात, प्रेस नोट दितात, काम सोंपलें. फुडें कितें करता तुमी?
गोंयांत आमी इन्स्पेक्शनां जी आमची ऑलवेज इट इज अ रुटीन इन्स्पेक्शन चालूच आसता. Every day our inspectors are on the field, whether it is in North Goa or South Goa. We have got a tentative tour program. As per the tentative tour program, our inspections are going out in and around everywhere in Goa. So, and wherever the deficiencies are there, if we depending on whether they are the minor, major, or the critical, we are taking the action. It's not that inspection झाले आणि काबार तशें आसना, प्रेस नोट दिलो काबार तशें आसना. मागीर तुमकां सांगला त्या प्रमाणे आमची इन्स्पेक्शनां चालू आसा. एट द सेम टायम सॅम्पलिंग ऑल्सो. थ्रू द सॅम्पलिंग when it is analyzed, we come to know whether it is an unsafe product, whether it is meeting the standards. And if it is not meeting the standards, if it is not of standard quality, the cases are filed in the collectors, respective collectors. The cases are heard properly, and thereafter the decision is taken. The FPOs, whoever is there, they are penalized. If it is a unsafe product, then the cases are filed in the JMFC court. Okay. And in the JMFC, as per the judge is giving the penalties. So it is not that we don't do, we are doing, our work is always there, and we are continuously on our field. Officers are doing continuously field work.
फायन मारतात आणि मागीर ते परत रिस्टार्ट जातात ते कशी भशेन
Start purchase button. When he gives we tell them there is a format, inspection report is there, wherein the inspector writes these are the deficiencies 1, 2, 3, 4. So he has been given, as per the law, he has been given 14 days time to compliance. And if he complies within that time, after he complies, the compliances are verified by our officers. And if it is found satisfactory, then only he opens it.
कितें तुमचे कडेन कंप्लेन येता काय कशी भशेन फायन मारता?
It all depends. We get the complaints from various, either even the WhatsApp group or WhatsApp, or through the email or the registered post or over the phone. All types of complaints are entertained by our department. They are acknowledged, and the officers go on the site immediately and as per the severity of the problem, and they are investigated. They are checked for the compliance under the FSSAI rules and the regulations. If it is not fitting, if it is very critical, immediately we tell them to stop. We take an undertaking from that date. They will not open the premise unless he gives the compliance to that deficiencies. If it is a minor thing, we give them certain types of deficiencies are there which can be complied within a 1 day or the 2 days. Certain types of infrastructure development changes, modification, it takes time like 15 days. Then they take 15, depending on the observations and the deficiencies, they comply and they report.
मी पॉलिटिकल प्रेशराचेर काम करता काय कशें? लिसन, वन क्वेश्चन इज दॅट 70 हांगा एक रेस्टॉरंटाचेर तुमी रेड मारलो, ताच्या पयलीं एक आदले दीस तो हांगसर एक इनफ इज इनफ ह्या मिटिंगेक उलयलो मिनिस्टराचे अगेन्स्ट, तेजी रेड मारलो. सेकंड टायम तेणे त्या रेस्टॉरंटाक मिटींग घेतली इनफ इज इनफाची, तेजे हॉटेल रेस्टॉरंट डेमोलिश केले. हे कसली क्रायटेरिया तुम्ही यूज केली ताका?
See, our department doesn't work on the political pressure. Let me be very clear. So, jenna inspection केले, ताजे license नाशिल्ले, some deficiencies were there. Definitely, that is the reason we have told them to stop.
मागीर डेमोलिश कसले बेसिसचेर केले काय म्हणलं ते?
There will be some deficiencies in that.
दुसरे क्वेश्चन घेऊया आम्ही वाजवून मान घेऊ.
एक क्वेश्चन